take that apart, polish the screws, they're pretty rusty, and remove all the dirt. And that's a detail that will be easy and will make it a lot nicer. It's pretty filthy right here compared to the rest of the car. There we go, just took those screws apart. It is pretty nasty here. Never clean that area. You don't see it too much, but once you get close, it's super dirty. So that dust is certainly 20-30 years old. Here we go. A bit of cleaning. I tried the baking soda on the screws. It did not turn out as good as I thought, so I'll try to find some replacement later so it looks a little bit better.